Question number 7. The genotype of a Klinefelter male is XO, XXY, XYY, OY. The Klinefelter syndrome is a male with a female characteristics. So it has one extra X chromosome. And the correct answer here is exactly B, which is XXY. Perfect. And if we extend our explanation in order to know why is the Klinefelter syndrome made, and a little bit talking about the non-disjunction in the 6 chromosomes. First of all, I'd like to shed some light in of course, XO is considered a Turner. I will talk about all of them, but first of all, I'd like to differentiate between 2 important things. We have autosomes, and we have 6 chromosomes. How many chromosomes we have? We have 23 pairs, or we can say 46, 43, okay, 46. So 22 pair are autosomes, and we have 1 pair, which is the 6th chromosome, chromosome X and chromosome Y. If there is a non-disjunction happen in the gamete formation, it will lead to one of those disorders. What is the meaning of disjunction? For example, XY in case of X and Y, in case of male, for example, and in case of female. Okay, the male has X and Y. So one sperm has X chromosome and one other sperm will have Y chromosome. And this is a normal disjunction. Okay, there is a disjunction, a separation happen between the X in one sperm and Y in another sperm. Okay, there may be a problem happen if there is one sperm has no chromosome at all, and another one may have 2 copies, such like X and Y. Okay, that leads to, this is called non-disjunction. This is called non-disjunction. So this is called O or 0, nothing here. Female have the same thing, X, X. Okay, one will have X and another one has to have X. This is the normal disjunction. But if there is non-disjunction happen, so one egg has nothing and the other egg has 2 copies. Okay, that can rise into any one of those disorders. Okay, XX is the normal female. Okay, XO is Turner syndrome. Okay, so one of those eggs will be encountered by a sperm, okay, that has X, so this will be a female Turner syndrome. Okay, triple X, one of the eggs may have 2 X copies and another one came from the male sperm that have X, so this is it's a female but has an extreme feminine characteristics. XY is the normal male. Okay, XXY, if the same egg that has 2 copies of X chromosome is being fertilized by a sperm with a Y, okay, chromosome, then it will form XXY, and here is the male Klinefelter syndrome, the point that we are talking about here. Okay, and we have XYY. It's very rare, okay, but it is a nearly normal male, a male with an excess male characteristics. OY, this will not be able to live. Why? There is no X chromosome. X chromosome is the chromosome of life, so it has to be present. If no, there is no life will be formed. Okay, and autosomes, there may be also a problem there, but in this case, such like the additional or a deletion of one of the chromosomes, which is a chromosome mutation. For example, the one that came, it didn't come in this trial, but it came before, such like the Down syndrome. Okay. The normal composition is 44 plus, okay, XY in case of male, normal male, or 44 plus XX in the normal female. Okay, in case there is one, okay, additional chromosome, such like the Down syndrome, it will be 45 plus XY if it's a male, or XX if it's a female Down. And this 45 because there is one additional copy of a chromosome number 21, but the chromosome 21 is autosome chromosome, not sex chromosome, and this is called trisomy.